Hey guys, happy weekend. I just thought, you know what? What else can I do to keep me more honest? So I thought, you know what? At the end of the week, I think I'll do a recap of some of the trades that I made, or some of the results, and I'll just call it like a weekend update or a weekend recap. So here we go. It is now Sunday and the markets are closed. So let's take a look at where I'm sitting right now with my trades. If you look over here at the symbol changer, you can see that I have two open trades currently, the Aussie yen and the pound yen. Unfortunately, both of those bad boys are red, meaning I'm not in profit. If we look at the Aussie yen, you can see not too bad. I am down about 9.6 pips altogether, which is not too bad. It's very close here. So why am I still in this trade? Just a little bit of a recap is my SSL here is still showing an uptrend, and my QQE is still showing an uptrend. So the blue line is value 1 on QQE, and that is above the 50 level. And I use my QQE also as an exit indicator. So this exit indicator would be if that blue line went below the white dotted line, which is value 2 on my QQE. And that hasn't occurred either. So I left this one alone. Now, pound yen, a little bit different story. It's very much further. I'm down about 205 pips total, which is about 100 each. And you can see here by the chart that it's definitely going the wrong direction. However, I have still not gotten a clear exit signal. So we go down here and we look at our SSL is still showing an uptrend. Now our QQE, look at this right here, is very close to crossing. And that's one of the reasons why I put this data window up here, is if I go and I hover over, I can see that the QQE current time frame, which is value 1, which is the blue line, is at 58.36, and value 2, which is the white dotted line, is 56.97. So that blue line is still above the white dotted line. So I didn't get a clear-cut exit signal yet. So we'll have to see what this does when the markets open up later tonight, and all through tomorrow on Monday. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it'll turn around and go back in my direction, of course. If not, those lines will cross and it'll be an indication for me to get out. So I'll show you here also, this is the account history of closed trades so far. Now this was last week. If you remember, my very first trade unfortunately hit the stop loss. So that was minus 59, minus 59. Both trades stopped out. My second trade hit the first take profit and then went back down to about break even. But that was a profitable trade. Let's see where we are right now. So where I'm at right now, these are the two open trades I just reviewed. You can see the one is about 8 pips, 9 pips in the hole, and the other one's 59, 59. So I'm down about 130 right now. So not a roaring great start, but you know what? We have only begun. The other thing I want to show you real quick is I set up a My FX book account. So now I am actually tracking this account with a lot of additional information. And if you're not familiar with My FX book, maybe I'll do a kind of an overview video a little later on. But the main thing is it'll keep a running total of what your profit is As you can see right now, I'm down about 0.53%. So I'm in the hole a little bit. Down about $52 total. But you can see it graphed here. Okay, so that one trade lost a lot, and then I'm up just a little bit, and I'm up a little bit. But this is kind of nice because it'll also show you like your profit factor. And right now I'm at a profit of 0.55, meaning I'm not in the money, but that will change, I'm sure. Profitability, it'll show you how many trades you've won and how many total. Currently, I'm at a 50% win rate. Again, not terrific, but you know what? Again, we are tracking this so that we can make adjustments and we can get better. And you can see there's even a lot more information that this website will give you. So I would encourage you, if you don't have an My FX Book account and you're not following either it's a demo trade or a live trade is even more important, then go sign up. It's free and it's a lot of really good information. All right, so there you have it. That is my weekend update, and I hope you guys have a wonderful trading week ahead, and we'll see what the future brings. Happy trading.